Welcome, guys. So here you can see we have SEO. The first slide where what does SEO mean? Search engine optimization. As you can see, search engine optimization. Short form is like search engine optimization is about helping search engine understand your content. So it is actually a way where we help search engine to understand our content, and also helping users to find our site and make a decision about whether they should visit your site through a search engine or not. So this is actually a way where we help search engine to understand where whether a user should visit your site or not. Here you can see I have searched a keyword, which is a keyword research tool. So as you can see here, we get a lot of results. The first 10 results. So there's a science behind it, and there are some strategies that these sites are following, and these sites do some SEO thing, SEO strategies. We will discuss each and every strategy and each and every steps in this course, of course. So this is actually the definition of search engine optimization. So all the point of doing SEO is to get ranking. The first and the foremost step is our get ranking on the keyword that a user search. So this is actually a way we do things. So moving back to the this slide. So here you can see we have what to expect from this course. So this is very important to understand before moving forward. SEO is a long term game. So it's a long term game. You cannot get results in just 1 month or 2 months by applying some of the strategies. So this is a long term plan, and you have to be committed with it, and you have to apply all these strategies and things that we will discuss in this training or course. The third thing is, if you want instant results, SEO might not be the right choice. The third step is, it is if you want instant result, you can run ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, and social media ads, including Facebook and Instagram and any other platform that you think are the best fit for your business. But SEO, when you're doing SEO, it's a long term game, and you should know about this. You should understand this. The fourth point is, it's hard to start in SEO, but it's easy to grow. In the start, you just put a lot of efforts in it, but with time, when you get ranking, and when you see the traffic and the conversions, and the users on your website, you will see that the long term game of SEO is really worth it. And we need to play by Google rules. And this is the fifth point, which is important. There are certain rules from Google, which we follow, and that's where we do things. And based on the Google rules, the Google algorithm, because we are ranking our site on the search engine, which is like Google, and we do target Google, because Google is the 90% a big search engine, which is used in all around the world. There are some other sort of search engines, like Yahoo and Microsoft Bing, and there's a Chinese search engine, which is which is no, and I guess name is Baidu, Baidu, Baidu. So you can also do that, SEO for those, what to say, is for those search engines. So that's pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one.